Hey guys, welcome back to Help Click. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access on Android. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So if you're having problems with your internet connectivity here or with your Wi-Fi on your phone or your Android device, well, there are a few things that you may want to do or you may want to check here. Now, the thing with Wi-Fi connections is if you're too far from your router or too far from your from the source of your internet here, so in this case, sometimes connectivity would actually slow down. So typically in the top section of your screen, you should see a signal or the signal bar for your Wi-Fi. And if it's quite low, it means that you're too far. So you may want to go ahead and just walk a bit and just go closer into your Wi-Fi source, and basically that would basically improve your connection, and hopefully you would return or you would be able to start using the internet. But in some cases that's not enough, so sometimes you may want to do a few things in here. So the first thing that you may want to do is you may want to change a few settings on your Wi-Fi. So you want to go to your Wi-Fi settings. So again, go to your settings, go ahead and access Wi-Fi, go ahead and click on your actual Wi-Fi here. Let's go ahead and close this one. Let's go ahead and click on the Wi-Fi option here. And you want to go ahead and scroll down a bit here. Look for IP settings. So let's go ahead and choose this one. And you want to go ahead and choose static. Now inside static here, you want to scroll down a bit here. And you want to go ahead and choose the DNS1 section. And you want to edit this. Now instead of whatever DNS that you're seeing in here, you want to set this to 8.8.8.8. So this is Google DNS. So it's actually what I'm using right now. So you can go and set that up. And from then on, you can go and click on the check at the top right here to save your connection. Now, in this case, once you've done this, it should basically improve your connectivity. But if not, what are other things that you could actually do here? Now, the next thing that you may want to do here is you may want to forget your actual or recurring connection here. So in this case, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and access your connectivity again. Let's go ahead and just click on the Wi-Fi connection. And you want to go ahead and click on the option here that says forget network at the very bottom of your screen. So in this case, once you do click on the forget network here, you want to go ahead and click on OK. And once you've forgotten your network, you go and just reconnect again to your Wi-Fi connection here and see if that actually helps. So sometimes doing this or re-establishing the connection, so sometimes it's a problem with your current connections. It often happens to me actually. So in this case, sometimes reconnecting can actually help a lot. And also, you may want to restart your phone. So just in case you have your phone like open for quite a while now, like if you haven't restarted your phone for 2 weeks, sometimes internet or some components on your phone may encounter some issues. So in this case, restarting your phone is a best option as well. And finally, if none of these actually work, the final thing that you can try doing here is try restarting your router. Now, sometimes restarting your router or your Wi-Fi could actually help a lot. So usually, if you need to unplug it totally from the from any electrical source or from any power, and just leave it unplugged for about 12 seconds. Now once 12 seconds is up, you can go and just replug in your router or your Wi-Fi and see if that actually helps. And if none of this actually works, check other devices, check your laptop, another phone, and see if you still have internet access. Now, if you don't have access on those other devices, it means your phone is not a problem here. So you may want to contact your internet provider and see what they could do for you to fix your internet connectivity problems. But in this case, that's about it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.